Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to log in on Outlook, Microsoft Outlook email sign in. So if you don't know the steps on how to log in onto your Microsoft Outlook, here's the step-by-step guide for you. So the first thing you need to do is to head onto your local browser. So in my case, I'm choosing Google for that, and we're going to search Outlook login onto the search bar. So you should be able to find in the first option in here. Click onto that and you'll get redirected onto Outlook's website. So there should be an option for you to sign in or create an account. So since you have created your account already, you'll just need to sign in. Just click onto sign in there and you'll get redirected onto another page. Be able to see the same screen wherein it asks you for your email, phone, or Skype ID. Right after you have added that, just click onto next and it will prompt you to add in your password. So if you don't have an account yet, there is a create one option in here. There are other sign in options as well that you could do in here, such as your face, fingerprint, PIN, or security key from your device, or you could sign in using your GitHub. And if you have forgotten your username, then there is a forgot my username option in here. So we're gonna use my fingerprint in here. And once you have typed in or add in your username and password, or you have used your fingerprint scanner, then you'll get redirected here onto Outlook and you have successfully logged in already. And that is just basically it, how you log in on your Microsoft Outlook. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.